If your SolidWorks is starting to act strange, or you have missing icons, or icons are starting to show question mark or info, then there is one way you can resolve many of these issues. For SolidWorks 2026, you can go to Troubleshoot and then access the built-in cleaner. Specifically, cleaning the temp folders will do wonders. Simply run the clean folders and you're good to go. In older versions of SolidWorks, you will go to System Maintenance, and from here you can run the maintenance and select what needs to be removed. Running this task on a regular basis will resolve many of your SolidWorks issues in general. This is especially true if you suffer from frequent crashing, if icons are incorrect, or if you have any add-ins where the icons goes missing or the add-in doesn't load at all. Before wasting any time on tech support, try this tip and let me know in the comments if it solved your issues. Thank you for watching.